Back to the palace?
Now there's one horse out of the race. Let's take a moment to check back in with the competition. So, who's still in the running? Will it be the devoted wife, the divorcee, or the one who actually had problems to deal with?
Problems? My son had to deal with the loss of his mother.
Well, yeah. Kind of like how my body had to deal with the loss of its head.
Please, come on now. Can't you see what's happening? Comparing your losses isn't going to change the fact that I've already won. I mean, I was literally shipped over from a foreign country, not knowing a word of English, to marry some random dude.
Oh my god. Same.
Okay, fine. But then, when Henry decided he'd had enough of me, he didn't even have the decency to say goodbye.
Same. Oh yeah, same. Nice neck, by the way.
Fine. How about this? When my one and only child had a raging fever, Henry wouldn't even let me, her mother. Oh, boo-hoo! Baby Mary had the chicken pox and you weren't there to hold her hand. You know, it's funny, because when I wanted to hold my newborn son, I died.
Guys! I have the plague.
Stay over there.
LOL, just kidding, my life's amazing.
Okay. You know what? I think it's time we heard from our next queen, Kay Howler. Babes. Who's that again?
Oh, I think she's the least relevant Catherine.
Oh yeah. Now I still don't care.
Funny. Yeah, speaking of funny, good luck trying to compete with us, honey.
You're right. I'm gonna need all the luck I can get. Your live sounded terrible. And your songs. Really helped to convey that. I mean, Catherine, almost moving into a nunnery and then not. Almost could have been really hard for you. And Anne, getting your head chopped off. I mean, surely that means you'll win the competition. Oh, wait. Hang on a sec. Divorced, beheaded, died. Divorced, beheaded. Never mind. And Jane! Oh, dying of natural causes! When will justice be served? And surviving. Okay, but seriously, Anna, all jokes aside, being rejected for your looks legit sounds really rough. I wouldn't know anything about that. I mean, look at me! I'm really hot! So yeah! I can't even begin to think how I compete with you all. Oh wait, like this. I think we can all agree I'm the 10 amongst these three. Ever since I was a child, I make the boys go wild. Take my first music teacher, Henry Mannix. I was young, it's true, but even then I knew the only thing you wanna do is broad, dark, sexy Mannix taught me all about dynamics. He was 23 and Serious, stern and slow. Gets what he wants and he won't take a no. Passion in all that he touches. The sexy secretary to the dowager duchess. Helped him in his office, had a duty to fulfill. He didn't let me use his favorite quill. Spilled ink all over the parchment. My wrist was so tired, so I came back the next day. Is he required? Who say all you need, all you want, you don't need to plead. 'Cause I feel the chemistry. I get you and you get me, and I know this is it. He just cares so much, this one's legit. We have a real connection. I'm sure this time is different. 'Cause all you wanna do, baby, is touch me. Love me, can't get enough. See, all you wanna do, baby, squeeze me, burn and believe me. You can't wait a second more to get my corset on the floor. Playtime's over. The only thing you wanna do is. Yeah, that didn't work out. It turns out some guys just employ women to get them into their private chambers. It was a different time back then. So I decided to take a break from boys, just focus on my career. And then my dad got me this amazing work placement in court, and you'll never guess who I met. Tall, large, Henry VIII, supreme head of the Church of England. Globally revered, although you wouldn't know it from the look of that beard. Maybe a lady in waiting, hurled me and my family up in the world, gave me duties in court, and he swears it's true that without me he doesn't know what he'd do. Who say it's all you need, all you want, we both agree. This is the place for me, and find me where I'm meant to be. Then he starts saying all this stuff. He cares so much, he calls me love. He says we have this connection. I guess it's not so different. 'Cause all you wanna do, baby, is touch me. Love me, can't get enough. All you wanna do, baby, is squeeze me, burn and believe me. There's no time to when or how, 'cause you just got to have me now. Playtime's over. without ya. Thank you and good night to you again.
Yeah, you had it bad, but that was not the most heart-wrenching song we've heard this evening.
I'm sorry. Were you not listening to my song? There were 4 choruses. That's how much I had to deal with.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so true. When you died, your son did have to grow up without you. Oh, wait. That was me? And no one cared when you died.
Jane!